Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting package for guitar players, whether you're just starting out or looking for a versatile second instrument. This is the Ashthorpe full-size Dreadnought Cutaway Acoustic Electric Guitar Package, and this one comes in a striking blue finish. What's great about this bundle is that it truly is complete. You don't just get the guitar, you also get a 10-watt practice amplifier, a soft nylon gig bag for carrying it around, a variety of picks, thin, medium, and heavy celluloid ones, a guitar cable to connect to the amp, a comfortable shoulder strap, an extra set of strings which is always handy, and of course the owner's manual to get you started. It's everything you need to plug in and play right out of the box. Let's talk about the guitar itself. It's a full-size 41-inch instrument with a popular Dreadnought body shape. This design, being 4.5 inches thick, is known for producing a big, resonant sound with a deep low end, while still keeping the overall tone nicely balanced. A key feature here is the cutaway design near the neck joint. This is really practical because it gives you much better access to those higher frets, making it more comfortable to play solos or reach notes further up the neck. Construction-wise, this Ashthorpe guitar is built with fine hardwoods. The top is made from X-braced, A-grade spruce wood. Spruce is a classic choice for guitar tops because it's known for its resiliency and versatility, meaning it responds well whether you're strumming hard or playing softly. The body, back, and fretboard are made from basswood, which contributes the nice warmth to the tone. The neck is crafted from okame wood. This combination of woods helps the guitar remain responsive and maintain its tonal integrity across different playing styles. Being an acoustic electric model, it's loaded with some useful upgrades. It features an onboard 4-band pickup and EQ system. This means you have controls right on the guitar for bass, mid-range, treble, and presence. This is fantastic for shaping your sound when you're plugged into the amp or a PA system, giving you a lot of control over your amplified tone. The description mentions it offers impressive tone, standout projection, and incredible sonics, which is promising for players at any level. Now, about the included amplifier. It's a 10-watt electric guitar practice amp, perfect for home use or warming up before a gig. While it's rated at 10 watts steady, it can peak up to 20 watts. It has a built-in 5-inch speaker that provides clean sound amplification. You get control over your sound with a 2-band EQ, allowing you to adjust the bass and treble. Plus, it has built-in overdrive or distortion, which is great for experimenting with different sounds, especially if you're exploring rock or blues styles. It's designed specifically for practice and warm-ups, offering versatility in a compact package. So, looking at the whole package, the Ashthorpe Dreadnought Cutaway Acoustic Electric Guitar in blue offers a comprehensive setup. You get a well-constructed guitar with useful features like the cutaway and onboard EQ, paired with a functional practice amp and all the essential accessories. It seems like a solid option for someone looking to get everything they need in one go, providing a good foundation for learning or a convenient setup for playing at home.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.